To PFTV, to Emmanuel. Emmanuel, thoughts on today's game?
Bafo iPirates idlalile today, just like if ayikho iPolokwane besidlala isi half ground, just ukuthi iPirates idlalile siwine 1-0, but we supposed to score 4-3 more goals, but the luck it was not on our side. So no referee unesandla because he was on the Polokwane side. Abanikeza ama player Pirates ama yellow card, abePolokwane mabayenza ama foul let it go. So ngibona ngathi udlalisa ama player Pirates under pressure because we have a crucial game, because sizodlala iSaturday games, siphinde sidlala nemagezi sibuya siya ku Sundowns. Uyabona lama game wonke ayi3 is very tough, so we need to win all those 3 games. Ku CAF siya qualifier, siyo winner more goals, singafuni ukuthi bakora labantu because bashay 3 mabangakora then we will be under pressure.
And then later Saturday ungawatshela namabhakani fill up Orlando Stadium.
Let's fill up Orlando Stadiums with black, white, red. We are all colors. Asina skipper say one thina. We are 5 skippers team. No green. 5 skippers team. We are going to fill up Orlando Stadium. Come on Saturday. It will be painted black, red, white.
Thanks Pagania, Bopa.